Hello. We're at Sullivan's Island right now. Sullivan Island, South Carolina. It's about 63 degrees today. In late February, it's a leap year. Sullivan's Island, South Carolina. It's the home of Fort Moultrie. There's a barrier island off of Charleston. Fort Moultrie was built with palmetto logs from palmetto trees, palm trees, during the Revolutionary War. It was attacked by 9 British warships. And because palm trees can sway because of hurricanes, the cannonballs from the British warships bounced off of the palmetto logs. Later on, Edgar Allan Poe enlisted in the army and was also stationed here around 1827. At the age of about 18. And then also off of this island out here, somewhere out here during the Civil War, it was blockaded by the Union Navy, and the H.L. Hunley, which was built in Mobile, Alabama, launched out of here and successfully was one of the first submarines torpedoed and sunk the Navy ship in about 5 minutes. But unfortunately, the crew never made it back. It could have been damaged during the explosion, but also was found on the seaward side of the ship when it was finally recovered, showing that it was fighting the ocean current. And many believe that they simply just ran out of air trying to pedal, bring the submarine back to land. So they finished their mission successfully, but then all died. But about 32 years ago or so, the Hunley was found and resurfaced and brought back in here at Sullivan's Island. So just a little bit of history for you. Testing out my new 360, Insta360 camera. Can't wait for warmer weather. I'm going to be out here all the time. Right across the way over there is Isle of Palms. There's just a little inlet called Breach Inlet that separates the two. It's actually pretty dangerous. There's a lot of tourists that come down here, and they go swimming in there in the riptides and currents. Does bad news every once in a while. The water usually stays pretty warm around here because of the Gulf Stream current. And it's usually pretty shallow. And you see over there where you see the white water. That's a sandbar right there. I could probably walk all the way out there. I'm not going to, because it's not that warm, but you could. What do you think about these? All right, signing off from here. Saltwater action gear. It's a good day for a good day. Later.